miss Mom. Every single day. Sa mga nangyayari recently, I keep wondering if makakahanap pa talaga ako ng answers, justice, peace.
Baby, I'm trying to say.
I don't know. I don't know kasi. When I thought we had something, someone, si Tita Lorena, she gave us hope. I thought magiging okay na yung lahat. Bigla na lang siya nawala. We didn't even get a closure for Mom. Ano, pati si Tita Lorena na rin? Parehas lang pala sila ni Mom. Wala na rin siya. She left us down.
It's okay. Breathe, breathe. Just breathe. Baby, masyado na tayo umaasa sa mga bagay na hindi na mangyayari. Sa mga taong hindi na babalik.